Hi IT Army, welcome back to Nestor Tech. Today we're unlocking something Microsoft doesn't advertise, the famous and old GodMode. Right-click on your desktop, create a new folder and rename it to this. I left a string of letters in the description, so just copy it so you don't mistype it. Hit enter and boom, welcome to GodMode. This isn't a new feature, it's a master list of every administrative tool Windows has. We're talking 200 plus settings all in one window. Here's a real-time saver. Let's say I want disk options. I type disk and instantly every disk-related tool appears. Defragment, cleanup, create partitions, all right here. And that, my friends, God mode. One folder to rule them all. If this saved you some clicks, hit like, subscribe to Nestor Tech, and comment below. What's the first setting you would search for?
Tech, the sentinel in your ecosystem.